You want to build thriving online business without handling any inventory. You just do sell your products without stocking any inventory, where someone else ship your products directly to your customer without any warehouse, any inventory. Sounds too good, right? Think again. In this video, we are diving deep in how to succeed with AliExpress dropshipping. Stay tuned because at the end of the video, you will have blueprint and launch and also scale your e-commerce store. Welcome back to Product Club, your go-to channel, all things in e-commerce, Amazon FBA, dropshipping, and entrepreneurship. In today's video, we are breaking down the secret of mastering AliExpress dropshipping, proven business model, and strategy that helping thousands of entrepreneurship start their journey with minimal risk. Whether you are a complete beginner or professional dropshipper, this guide is packed actionable tips and techniques that help you succeed your online e-commerce. Ready to unlock your potential? Let's get started. So, what exactly is dropshipping? Dropshipping, in simple terms, is retail model that you don't need to hold any inventory or any stock. When a customer places an order, you purchase the product from a third-party supplier like AliExpress, and then your supplier will ship the product to your customer directly. And that means you don't need to deal with warehouse, you don't need to deal with shipping, and this all kinds of. You will just need to focus on growing and marketing your business. But here's the catch. The competition is very high and the profit margin is very low. And that's why you need a solid strategy to stand out from the competition. And guess what? We have got you covered. So why AliExpress? Why you choose AliExpress dropshipping for your business? Because of variety. AliExpress offers millions of products in every niche. Whether you need a fitness, home and kitchen, home and decoration, there are many huge niche in AliExpress. Think about it. And also, the competition is very high. That's why many suppliers in AliExpress, they offer free or low shipping costs to attract more customers. And also, it is a win for your profit margin. And don't forget to build in review system. It's your cheat sheet for finding a high quality products and reliable supplier. A quick research of review can save you a lot of time and also can save you an unhappy customer. Let's talk about how to set up your e-commerce store. Here is how to get started. Step 1. Pick your niche. Are you passionate about fitness, home decoration, electronics, sports, whatever you like? Pick your niche, something you are passionate about, because that will help you target a specific audience and stand out from a crowded market. Step 2, build your online store. Use platforms like Shopify, WooCommerce. Make it easy for you. Use their AliExpress integration to easily import products with just a few clicks. Step 3, optimize for your store conversion. Clean design, product description, and also high quality image are non-negotiable. Make it easy for your customer to say yes. Step 4, finding a profitable product. So, how to find profitable product? Finding the right product can be a challenge. Use tools like Oberlo or AliShark to find trending items. Look products with high demand, storing a review, and also a good supplier rating. Don't be shy out to launch a small range of products to see which products are selling better. Step 5, marketing your business. Now let's talk about marketing your business. Now let's talk marketing. Social media is your best friend when it comes to marketing. Use platforms like Instagram, Facebook to showcase your products. And those platforms will allow you showcase your products with target artists to reach your ideal customer. The content that highlight whether it's a free shipping or exclusive designs, offer discount or subscribing to your newsletter. Use it to share promotions and building and updates building customer base long-term success. Lastly, customer service is everything. Respond your customer inquiry about shipping, set clear expectation about shipping time, and communicate proactively with your customer about shipping delay. A happy customer is a repeat customer. Adapt market trend. Maintain a strong relationship with your customer. Constant improvement. That's for today's guide on mastering AliExpress dropshipping. If you found this video helpful, please hit that like button and don't forget to share this video with your fellow entrepreneurship that will use this video to boost their e-commerce store. Don't forget to subscribe our channel Product Club to get the latest trend and update on e-commerce, Amazon FBA, dropshipping. Thank you for watching. See you next video.